I dig. Hey, YouTube. T's Weight Loss Journey and More with the Polk family. Polk Royalty is our new name on our YouTube channel. We just got through eating at Outback Steakhouse. I forgot. I'm going to post the pictures if it'll let me, but I forgot to YouTube it. First time I ever eaten at Outback, and it was delicious. We're at the car lot. My husband just spotted a Honda Genesis. That's what he wants. Is a Honda Genesis. Ain't that right, bud? Hubby want that Honda Genesis. Oh, I like that Charger. That's cute. That's not an RT. Got to be RT, Scat Pack, or Hellcat, or Demon. That is not one. Neither one of them. The Infinity looks cute, but we looking at the Honda Genesis. It's right. Where is it? It's on the very front on that circle. I'm like, where's the damn circle at? Excuse me, right here. Here's the circle. Right there. Okay, we finna go look at this Honda Genesis. Grace, you gonna sit here in the air while we look at the Honda Genesis? Okay, you sit right there. He said he gonna stay in the air. Our grandbaby don't like no sun. This is so cute, this Subaru. I love Subarus. They're just so cute. But we looking at the Honda Genesis. We looking at the Honda Genesis. Y'all see that Honda Genesis? It's a G80 3.8. Y'all see it? That's what the hubby said he want to get. Y'all see that big boy grill? It's a 2018 Genesis G80. I thought it was a 2020 or 2021. Huh?
Panoramic.
Oh yeah, it's got that panoramic roof. We thought it was a 2020 or 2021, but it is a 2018. But this is clean. I don't care. I like it. It's pretty.
What is this?
I don't know. Probably like a little shield to protect stuff, or maybe it comes like that. I don't know. Let's see. Y'all see that Genesis? Yeah, it's an 18. I thought it was a 2021, 20 or 2021 or 2022, but it ain't.
As is.
But still, no warranty as is. I don't know. Why would you have a Honda Genesis as is? Certified. We inspect, safety check, and service our pre-owned vehicles. So it's been certified. So this ain't like the ones on that back lot. Hey, it's got the same thing as our Benz got.
Yeah.
The little shade things that come up out the window. We got an S500 and it comes out like that. Oh yeah. As long as it's pre-owned certified, they're usually good here at the Sierra place. It's a 6-cylinder though. It's not a V8. You want a V8. This is a 6-cylinder fuel injected. It's not a V8. So 2018 Genesis G80 3.8L sedan. Still got barbecue sauce on my fingers.
I ain't showing the price.
I tried to wash my hands. Huh?
I think showing the price.
Oh, I forgot I got white shorts on. It ain't showing the price, but mileage. I can't believe it don't have dealer warranty as is. That is so crazy.
Yeah, I got mileage. The mileage is
37,699 miles. But you're as is, but you only got that many miles. No powertrain warranty or nothing. Some don't sound right. Some don't sound right, Sierra.
I'm wondering where you find the Honda Genesis.
Probably Memphis.
Yeah,
probably had to go to Memphis. But check out this little Infinity over here. But it's an 18 too. This is weird because all the ones on the lot are either 2020 or 18. That's the new Blazer. Don't look like a Blazer does it anymore.
It don't.
Looks way better than the new Blazers are nice. Like seriously, these new Blazers are clean. Y'all see the new Blazers? They are clean. In this color, you know I love this brown, that color brown. Hey, they real nice on the inside too. They real nice on the inside too. They don't look nothing like the old Blazer, but this Infinity 2.0 T It's as is too. That's strange. All these ones on the front lot would be as is.
What is that? Buick?
Yeah, this is a
like
Buick.
It's like with seal on it.
She wants the
Yeah.
now this is the Envision. She said Encore. Does she want the Buick Envision?
Encore right here.
Which one does she want, the Encore or the Envision?
I don't know.
I just can't see Seal in the Encore. I can see her in that Envision looking good. I can see Seal in that Buick Envision.
Hey, what's wrong with the seat? Somebody burnt it over there or something?
Yeah. But that Buick Encore, this is like a really little thing. Unless she like it, it's cute. But I can see her in that Buick Envision real good. That's a Chevrolet Trax.
Somebody
Probably a smoker. People smoke. This Jeep is clean too. But this right here, this is real pretty. Look at the brown. I can see Seal in this Buick Envision.
What year is this? This is a 20.
And it's as is too.
And this one more nicer inside than.
That's why I said I can see Seal in this Buick Envision. It's real nice.
It's more nicer. Yeah.
That look good with Seal. That's my sister-in-law. But I'm in love with this. This Blazer is not like a Blazer. Look at the inside of it. This Blazer is clean. You remember the old Blazers like we was gonna get one time?
It's nice.
I told you these Blazers are clean now. Really nice. I don't know, Danielle, I like it. It's got enough room in the back. Look. I'm talking about back here.
Yep.
I like the Blazer. And look at the color.
Yeah, I like
But that damn Honda Genesis is killing it, you won't. As a car, but as an SUV, this Blazer is really nice. I think this much, I don't know if this comes down or what. No? I don't know, I like that Blazer though. The Subaru and everything, they're all, you know, I like the little Subarus. But Subarus are like some good vehicles, but they're all as is. That's why I don't understand. These Subarus, they are some good, well, Subaru Foresters I've seen I like, but I've never seen this little Subaru Forester. And guess what? It's a stick. I couldn't drive if I had to. But I like that Blazer. I really do like that Blazer. But I really like that Honda Genesis. But it's as is. That's what I'm not understanding. Why would a Honda Genesis be as is? You check the tailpipe of a Honda Genesis. Black in it. It's got some black in it. It should
It's
be.
not black,
It
but
should be cleaner than a whistle. What about that? What about that fin? That's an all-wheel drive QX30.
It's like the Honda Genesis like that. No, that's not nothing.
Okay.
That's not.
It's a lot of money to pay for a vehicle, and something happens to them. What about that Blazer? It's straight, wasn't it? That's what I'm saying. I'd rather have that damn Blazer. The Blazer's pipe is... Okay, hold on.
Where my phone at?
Here. I got my tablet if you want to play Roblox. You can play music on my tablet, Danielle. You just got to add it to your...
No.
You just got to add it to your, what you call it?
Oh, he get on the tablet.
I tried to tell him to get on my tablet. Okay, y'all. Danielle. Okay. Yeah.
GMC truck. That's the one.
The what?
GMC truck right there.
He's gonna look at a GMC truck.
Rams for it.
See, he's a part of the credit union, so he trying to see what he want. He trying to see what he want.
Yes,
I think it's according to what they give you to buy, ain't it? The amount they give you. That's as is, no warranty. And what year is that?
20.
What the world? Yeah. Can y'all believe there's no warranty on this truck and it's a 2020? Like, what the world? On this GMC. Now, this is a nice GMC truck. Y'all see this? And they want as is. You would think they would have a warranty with it. What about the pipes in it? Oh, no, look how black that is. I see why it's as is. That truck ain't not a bit of good. Oh, no, I like how you can step up on the side right here, but tailpipe shouldn't be that black in the truck. Unless that's a, what do you call it? What do you call that thing? A diesel. There ain't no diesel, it shouldn't be that black. We bought our car to somebody's yard, and our tailpipe ain't nothing like that. Something ain't right. Know about that. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something ain't right, yeah. Something ain't right. He don't like his hands when he get in here. My husband works on vehicles, so he knows if something's good or bad, but I don't trust none with a dark tailpipe. You know I do. I already done got it out for you. No, it shouldn't have no black tailpipe. That's a 2020. Somebody dogged that truck out. They have a black tailpipe. Well, I don't know. Gotta go by Kinko's and get something printed.
Papa,
What? What speaker? Ain't nothing wrong with it. Which one happened to it? Ain't no music on.
Papa ain't got no music on because you got his phone.
Now, you try to hear the phone? Okay, now I got this thing unplugged.
Okay, now how do I hold it? Does my phone just stay like this? Or do I push in on it?
That's it.
I mashed the bottom and it opened it up.
That's it.
It opened it way up when I mashed the bottom. Oh, no, it ain't good. It ain't good.
It says charger somewhere.
Where you see chargers at?
It's maybe, hold on. Wait, this.
I seen a charger over there. That gray one, but I ain't seen no other charger. That blue one, but that's not a, what you call it? That's a charger. That's not a RT. No, it's not a RT. And that Challenger is not a RT. No. These are all used. From 17 to 20. On the very back over there, that's like under, like 20 and under. And then over there in the very back lot is the brand new ones. That Honda Civic is clean, ain't it? That gray one. Now see, you can tell if they got Hondas and Nissans, that's been traded. These are all trade-ins. Over here, go straight to the back. That's brand new back yonder. You try to see brand new stuff. That's in the very back.
What's that green car there?
A Kia. It's panoramic all the way back. It's a Kia Optima. You know, they sell Kia on this side of the lot. That's a blue Challenger's out of RT. Got some kind of emblem on the side. I like that. I know, I got a charger. I got a charger, man. I guess these supposed to be, I don't know if they new or used. That Malibu is pretty, but I just don't like Malibu solid.
That a Cadillac over there they got?
I don't like Mally's. Yes, that's the Cadillac SUV, the new one. Look, they got hardly no new cars, y'all. I don't know what's going on with Sierra. A lot of car lights are going under. But, what is that? Don't tell me this the Kia Stinger that I like.
I ain't hardly got nothing.
No.
They have
And then they sell everything as is, like there is no warranties. Usually they have brand new cars on this back lot. Don't tell me that's the Kia Stinger, Danae, is it?
That is.
It's either Kia Stinger or that Kia that, what you call it, Mom?
Why?
That, CC won't. Hold on.
Papa.
What?
Wait, Papa.
What happened?
Over there.
Well,
That's Tesla.
no, they don't have Teslas here.
And then this is Kia K5 GT line, a all-wheel drive. This is the one that CC wants. It's a
I want to
2022.
look.
What?
This is the new Kia K5 GT that CC wants. CC, they got your car. Hold on, baby. I'm feeling. So when my son's girlfriend went, see that Kia K5 GT 2022 all-wheel drive GT line. It's the 2022 K5 GT line all-wheel drive Kia. I told you this one's cleaner than the Stinger, and I love the Stinger. This the one we need to get. This the one we need to get. Cece wants this, and so she really liked this. And we had passed by one, and she had showed me the K5. That junk clean. Hey, look at the screen.
I know it's a big screen.
Yeah, that K5 clean. I don't know if y'all can see it good. K5 clean. Come on. Come on, baby.
What's that blue car?
What blue car? Oh, that's a Challenger down there.
Wait, I want to see it.
We can't get through there. They got that side locked.
Why? Because
I don't know. They got that side with the gate on it. I guess so nobody won't, break in on that side, 'cause that's where they fix. That's the one they fix on, and that's the one where they have you to come in and see if your credit and stuff is qualified. That's a Challenger, but it's. I don't know if it's a RT or not. It's got this little M on the side, but I can't tell what it says. I don't know if it's a 392. I don't know. I had to have Quincy come look at it because I can't really tell. And we can't get on that side. But I do want that. I like that Kia K5 in it. I like the Blazer and the Kia K5. What you think?
No.
Huh?
No.
You don't like that Kia K5?
Look here.
You crazy.
Yeah, it's clean.
And it's a 2022. You don't like that Blazer? I mean, I love the Honda Genesis, but it's as is. I don't know, baby, what this is. Hold on, Grayson, stay right there. Let me see what it is. No, I can't tell by that M on. I ain't walking over because it's locked on that side. I don't know what it is. I don't know if that's a 392 or what, but it ain't. It's like it's got that little M like it's a 392. See if it's a Hellcat or a 392. I mean, whatever. I don't know Hellcat, Scat Pack. I don't know what a 392. I just know a 392 is fast, but I don't know if that means Scat Pack or Hellcat. I don't know.
Mama, can I work with Papa?
Yeah. Can you open your door? Here. Come on. Step out. Oh, no, I'll open it. 392. What's it like that? You don't like it? I know you don't want a Challenger. Do you, Danielle? You want that, Danielle? Huh? You don't want that, do you? I know. I love Challengers. The blue one is a, I don't know if you can see it. See that blue one? That's a 392. I don't know if you can see it from here or not. It's a blue Challenger. See that blue charger over there? It's a 392. It's hot. I'm not getting back out. It's too hot. Yeah. He don't want that. He don't like that type of car. He don't like Challengers. He like Chargers, but he don't want a Charger because they use too much gas. And where we live, the police are profiling Chargers like they racial profile. They profiling Chargers, and by law you can't do that, but they're doing it. Seems like something should be done about it. The president or somebody needs to do something about it. Okay, so I'll let you get it. I like that 392. Get in.
Get in, Gracie. What you doing?
Trying to get in.
Trying to get in.
You don't love me.
Okay. Ooh, it's hot, y'all.
I know I love you. But stop mocking me.
There's a Cadillac over there. That blue car.
Jay, you come up there.
You say you want a lat? They got one. That Jeep clean. But is that a Rubicon? Yeah, that was a Rubicon. I love a Jeep Rubicon. I don't like the Jeep Wranglers okay, but I like the Rubicons better. But I think Quincy they got a 392 or something like that right here. Quincy one said it one of them Jeeps didn't it? They got a Jeep with a 392 in it now. Four-door Jeep. I think that's what they said. Quincy everybody had told me that I think. Done car shopping because they don't have none on this lot. Honda place be having a lot of cars, but Sierra, they ain't get jack. I do like that Kia K5, don't you?
Yep.
I told you that K5, and it's a GT K5 GT line, all-wheel drive. It's an all-wheel drive. It's a 2022. I like how they got the Kia wrote on the front of that one. It's a little different than the Stinger and the rest of them. Now the Stinger is the next Kia I like. I like Kia Optimus, but I like the Kia Stinger, but that Kia K5 is killing.
Well, I like the Stinger better.
You like the Kia Stinger?
Yes, and also that shower.
You like that Kia K5? That was the K5. That wasn't the Stinger. That was the K5.
Okay, no.
Yeah, that was the K5. Something must be on top of the hood. Something must be on top of the hood of our car, on the roof of our car.
Why you said that?
I don't know. He was blowing like he was crazy. Then he jumped out, making me think there's something on the top of the hood of our car.
I'm trying to figure out what.
I bet
Display
they're
though.
closed for 4th of July. Oh boy, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Is they closed? Oh.
They closed.
What?
You can't print no pictures from Bible Library. What we gonna do, Danielle?
I don't know.
I gotta get this done for the night. God dog it. I'm just gonna see if I can email them. Just gotta call them tomorrow and see if I can email them. Now, I'm gonna tell them. The picture I've got on my phone, our library don't do that. Sending pictures and faxing. I need to go over there. Faxing and all this stuff, they don't do that. They ain't equipped for that. Come to the Garland County. I'm gonna see if I can fax stuff to them. This is ridiculous. See, that place did not turn in that he got, what you call it? That he had SR22 insurance. What's saying? I mean, Vontae was saying they bogus. And Quincy, it don't have to be the same thing for him too, because he ain't even paid his insurance. But he's on insurance with CC. That's why it's so damn high for us. And I don't even think his is an SR22. Don't even think his is an SR22. Do you want the what you call it?
set. My phone on. Charging up. Okay. It's charging. I think she left out and went into Starbucks. I guess she left everybody to go in Starbucks. So she will be back out in approximately about 5 minutes or less. So just hang on, you two. I guess she forgot to take a phone or whatever while she was in Starbucks.